Step 6, inspection, appraisal, and loan approval time. Inspections are so important. You're buying the largest investment of your life, so you want to educate yourself on everything about the home. So hiring a home inspector is so important. Hi, I'm Adrienne Lynch with the Lynch team at Conway Real Estate, and I've been in the real estate industry for over 20 years. If a home inspector points out items of concern, you can hire a specialist in that area to evaluate it further. Drive the area at different times to see what is happening. Once you have had all your inspections, you can make a decision on if you would like to ask for any items to be repaired or not. Seller can say yes or no to the repair request, and then you make the final decision if you would like to move forward. Once the home is through the inspection, the lender will order the appraisal. The home must appraise for the purchase contract, or the contract will need to be renegotiated. The seller may decide to come down to the appraised value, you decide to pay the difference, or you split it down the middle, or you can cancel the contract. There are so many options. If it appraises for the purchase price, then we have no issues and can continue on with your loan. And final step in the phase is a loan approval. At the last moment, the lender may ask you for a document after document. You just need to get them the documents as soon as possible, or it could delay your loan and jeopardize you buying the home. And when you hear those words from the lender, clear to close, we bust out the champagne, we celebrate. I hope you have enjoyed the First Time Homebuyer series. And of course, this is just an overview of home buying. So reach out and ask any question you have, as we are here to help you.